Hello class and welcome to week 9 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, we will be continuing with the Criminal Justice Learning Module, or CRJS for short. For this week, you will be working on week 2 discussion board post. So in English 101, you completed a chart using information from the 4 texts from weeks 1 and 2, and that's what you will do early in the week, and this posting will be later in the week. And then you compose 2 to 3 paragraphs that summarized information from all 3 columns. For this activity, use your completed chart, summary, and revisit the criminal justice system essential questions. So please do this assignment for ACLT near the end of the week. Please look at the calendar for that. That is after you've completed all of the activities for English 101 first. So the first question that I'd like you to answer is, what is the biggest problem with the criminal justice system? 2, what reform is needed to improve the U.S. criminal justice system? 3, why is the criminal justice system failing? So A, consider how your experiences connect with the articles read in weeks 1 and 2 of this module. B, what personal examples can you provide that support or discredit the articles from weeks 1 and 2? C, explain or discuss how these examples support or discredit the articles that you have read in these weeks. Please respond in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include at least 2 paraphrased examples from the sources using MLA in-text citations, and of course, make sure to have an MLA-style works cited page. And after that, please respond to at least 2 of your peers' postings as well. Build on something they've said, explain something a little differently, ask a probing question, share insights, and so on. And so that's the first part of the posting. For the following day, near the end of the week, I'd like you to do the Module 3, Week 2 Reading and Writing Reflection. So at the end of this week, compose a reflection that summarizes the skills and strategies you've gained from the Lumen resource, the readings, the videos, the course discussions, and so on. What did you used to think that you now think? How did you connect, extend, or challenge the information that you have learned about? What do you see, think, wonder? And how do these readings connect with your own life? Please respond to the questions in organized paragraphs by topic. Include at least 2 examples from the readings. Use quotation marks, of course, for direct quotations. And please be sure to respond to at least 2 of your peers' postings. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.